So what else could he be holding? He could be holding the maracas, which is, you can use a cookie cutter. You know, I think it's a little big. And maybe, you know, if he's got a margarita, you know, he could be dancing with that, or he could be eating a tortilla chip, right? So let's take some of the yellow fondant. And what I do is I actually take some of the sugar, and let's pop it down like this, and I actually pick up the sugar. Here's some of this so you can see it. A lot of times I'll do a lighter yellow. Okay, and then just kind of knead it all up. And then we'll roll it out. And I just pick whichever side I like the best. And I'll add a little bit of brown luster dust later on. So then just cut it into your little triangle shapes for the little chips. This is something you could do ahead of time too, and just let them dry. You know, so they're all. You can make the little scoop chips. No, put a little guacamole in them. Get crazy. So I might as well just make another one. Okay, and I'll just sit those there, and then do his other hand, and then I'll have the chip ready to put in the hand. So I'll just make sure that I don't get any sugar in this. So a ball about the same size as we used before. I think that's probably something close. You know what I can do over here too? His arm is so straight that I can actually use this and kind of push that down a little bit. Hold on to that, push that down, and give him some little wrinkles right in there for his inside of the elbow. Yeah, see, it's got a little movement now instead of just out there. All right, ball. Put your hand over half, right? Roll, 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 roll. Okay, this part in here, go a little thinner. It's actually better if you support it like down like that. Roll, flatten that a bit. Bring it around this side so it's about here. And attach it. We probably need a little water on this one. Okay, right in there. Bend that a bit. Let's go ahead and give him that movement there in the elbow, the inside. And then we need his chip. That, and then his hand can go on there now. So a little water under the chip. Go ahead and kind of secure that, and then we can do the little finger marks. 2, 3. And I kind of like that to stick up a bit. Ta-da! Okay, let me clean this up and we'll go to the next step. We can save these. We might use these down at the base, you know, around here. So I may as well just make my last one here. And it's even okay if you pick up the darker stuff. It's kind of fun.